Hello folks, this is Big J. So this week is my week 7 of following my trading rules, and here is my weekly review. So this week I took 3 trades. The first trade was on Monday at this point. It was a TP. Second trade was here. As you can see, it was an SL. Then the third trade for the week was here, and it was a TP as well. And I followed my rule accordingly this week. So here are the trades. In, so So this is the first trade I took. The logic behind it was this key level. I first marked this order block, was then since price skipped it, figured out it's gonna take this rejection block here. I marked it as my key level. As you can see, and in the 4 hour time frame, mind you, this was the daily time frame. If you go to the 4 hour time frame, I discovered there was also an order block here. As you can see, this is I marked the other block here as my key level. Mind you, that was the same key level I marked in the daily time frame. So in the 4 hour, it turned out to be another block. So because of the key level, I was like, we are gonna have a maybe short term sell, although the whole trend was bearish. But then because of the key level, so I found my trade, placed my limit order, boom, I was filled in. It was my first trade for the week. It was a TP. Then on Tuesday, which is the mistake I made, you know, I was using this as my order block, but as you can see, price didn't expect it. This candle closed above it. So the new key level was supposed to be here, meaning I wasn't supposed to take the trade I took on Tuesday, but then without taking the loss or executing it last week, I wouldn't have learned my lesson. So this wasn't supposed to be a trade for me, but then I executed. This was GPB USD because I used it. I also discovered an SMT, so I was thinking it was valuable. Then my mistake here is that I used what was formed in GPB USD to trade Euro USD instead of trading what Euro USD presents to me. So now this was US dollar index. So this was the trade. As you can see, it was an SL. But then price took me out before I went to the direction. Means price I entered early. I entered when I'm not supposed to enter. Mind you, if I didn't take this trade, then on Tuesday would have been a no trade, a no setup, no trade day for me. Then on Thursday, yes, on Thursday, after the massive dump on Wednesday was a no setup, no trade day. So my overall bias for Thursday was bearish. So I placed my limit order, entered just TP. That was the 3 trades I took this week. As you can see on my gold funded calendar, you know, the first trade was on Monday, then second trade was on Tuesday. But I keep complaining about this gold funded calendar there. Usually, I think they use a different time frame or time. So they recorded my Monday and Tuesday trade under Monday. As you can see, that's the 3 trades I took this week. I followed my rules. As you can see, this is my 90 days challenge. So you can see from 4th May, I've been following my trading rules. So this week I followed my rule. Friday was a no trade day because I've already exceeded the max trade I had for 1 week. So I'm ready for the new week. So that is it. Saturday. Saturday is for reviewing the week that was. Then Sunday is for planning the week to be. So don't forget to do your own weekly review. Don't forget to spend time with your loved ones. Join me as I document my journey to becoming a consistent, disciplined trader who follows his rules and executes his edge. Because I believe in the next 6 months, when you'll be watching this video, or 6 months from now, I'll be a consistent, disciplined trader who follows his edge.